In the following 5 minutes, we will explore the 12 vocabulary of solar system. I'll read them aloud. Want to grab some flashcards? You can download them from my Patreon. Just check the link in the description below. Hi there, I'm Hong, with a master's in teaching Chinese as a foreign language and 9 years of experience. I'm excited to share video lessons with you. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Solar system 太陽系太陽系 Sun 太陽太陽 Earth 地球地球 Venus 金星金星 Jupiter 木星木星 Mercury 水星水星 Mars 火星火星 Saturn 土星土星 Uranus 天王星天王星 Neptune 海王星海王星 Pluto 冥王星冥王星 Moon 月球月亮月球月亮 Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, hit like, drop a comment, and share. And join my Patreon for flashcards and more notes. More systematic Cantonese lessons on the way. Subscribe and see you soon.